What if the most reliable SUVs on the road aren't the flashy ones, but the ones that simply never quit? Today, we're breaking down 5 SUVs that quietly reach 250,000, 300,000, even 400 to 50,000 miles with nothing more than proper maintenance. No hype, no exaggeration. Just real owners, real mileage, and vehicles built to last. One SUV covered 450,000 miles in just 4 years. Another passed 300,000 miles without a single major repair. Sounds unbelievable? It isn't. Take care of them and they turn into legends. Ignore one key detail and everything changes. Stay tuned because this video could change how you buy and maintain your next SUV. Subscribe to see which SUVs are truly built to last. The RAV4, the overachiever. Everyone knows about the Toyota RAV4 is so closely tied to reliability that people almost stop paying attention to it, which is exactly why you should. This isn't hype or exaggeration. A 2020 RAV4 hybrid owner managed to rack up 450,000 miles in just 4 years through work-related driving alone. 4 years, with regular maintenance and no major issues along the way. That kind of result isn't a rare exception anymore, it's becoming normal. What really stands out is the consistency behind that reliability. RAV4 owners regularly report crossing 300,000 kilometers, 186,000 miles, without needing major mechanical repairs. The transmission is generally dependable. The engine holds up well with proper oil changes. Even the original 1996 RAV4 still has examples on the road today, including one with 344,000 miles that's still running strong. There is one condition, and every legendary vehicle has one. Oil changes matter. The RAV4 lasts as long as you take maintenance seriously. Do that, and it responds in the simplest way possible. It just keeps going. The Subaru Forester. The CVT gamble that pays off. Subaru hasn't had the smoothest reputation in recent years, mostly because of its CVT transmission, a setup many drivers were quick to doubt. But here's what doesn't get talked about enough. Owners who actually maintain the CVT fluid are seeing Foresters go well past 250,000 miles without ever replacing the transmission. Take a 2016 Forester that recently crossed 250,000 miles on its original CVT. The owner followed the maintenance schedule, didn't ignore fluid changes, and avoided the kind of neglect that leads to failure. That lifetime fluid label? Mechanics know what it really means. Change it around every 60,000 miles or pay for it later. Older models tell the same story. A 2004 Forester with 175,000 miles is still running strong. Another from the same year reached 310,000 miles but failed only because oil changes were skipped. The pattern is clear, take care of it, and the Forester works hard for you. On top of that, newer models have moved past the head gasket problems of the past, showing Subaru took reliability seriously. At its core, the Forester shines at what most people actually need: comfortable, dependable daily driving that doesn't demand constant attention. The Mitsubishi Montero, the advantage of mechanical simplicity. This is where things get really interesting. The Mitsubishi Montero, called the Pajero in most parts of the world, has won the Dakar Rally 12 times. 12! That's not marketing hype. That's real-world proof of serious engineering. What sets the Montero apart is how simple it is mechanically, especially in a time when most vehicles are overloaded with electronics. The 3.5-liter and 3.8-liter V6 engines are straightforward and proven. The Super Select 4-wheel drive system is mechanical, durable, and time-tested. Because of this approach, high-mileage Monteros are common. Owners regularly report 200,000-plus miles with no major issues. One owner drove a 2007 Montero past 250,000 kilometers, saying the engine still ran smooth, and the transmission and suspension performed perfectly. As a used SUV, the Montero is often overlooked simply because people don't realize what they're getting. A 2002 Montero with 230,000 miles? The owner says it runs fresh as the day I bought it. Another owner loved theirs so much that instead of replacing it at 300,000 miles, they chose to fully restore it. There is one weak point though, the timing belt. Ignore it, and repairs get expensive fast. Stay on top of it, and the Montero rewards you with long life without needing complex diagnostics or constant software updates. The Honda CR-V, the quiet overperformer. If the RAV4 gets the spotlight, the Honda CR-V is its quieter cousin, doing the same job with far less noise. With regular maintenance, most CR-Vs comfortably reach 300,000 to 400,000 kilometers, and many are reported to push all the way to 500,000 kilometers. One standout example is a 2014 CR-V that hit 300,000 miles in just 5.5 years. That's about 4,513 miles every month, mostly in city driving. What actually failed beyond normal wear? A belt tensioner at 180,000 miles and an alternator at 280,000 miles. That's it. No transmission swaps, no engine rebuilds, no drama. High-mileage CR-V owners consistently report the same pattern: routine wear items like brakes, shocks, tires, and suspension bushings. The powertrain just keeps going. Part of the reason is simplicity. These vehicles are easy to work on, which means owners actually keep up with maintenance. Highway driving helps even more, but under normal use, the CR-V becomes incredibly hard to wear out. The Hyundai Santa Fe. The comeback story. Hyundai built its name on value, not long-term reliability. For a long time, putting Hyundai in the same conversation as Toyota felt unrealistic. But that story changed, and the Santa Fe is proof of it. Over the years, it quietly turned into a genuinely dependable SUV. A 2007 Santa Fe GLS made it to 256,000 miles. The owner bought it at 33,000 miles and reports doing little more than normal wear item repairs. A 2005 Santa Fe, now nearly 2 decades old, reached 246,000 miles and showed no signs of slowing down. Newer models back this up, with steady quality improvements and reliability ratings climbing to 4 out of 5. With regular maintenance, the Santa Fe typically lasts 200,000 to 250,000 miles, which puts it in strong company among competitors. The key is choosing wisely. Some 2012 to 2013 and 2017 models had known engine issues. Pick the right years and the Santa Fe becomes a solid family SUV that delivers long life without nasty surprises. Why these 5? These aren't the only SUVs known for reliability, but these 5 stand apart for one clear reason. They respond to proper maintenance like precision machines, ignore them, and problems show up. Take care of them consistently and they turn into the kind of vehicles mechanics rarely see outside of routine service. The ones owners drive past 300,000 miles and start wondering if they'll ever actually need to replace. Legendary SUVs aren't made by chance or built overnight on a factory line. They're created over years of regular, thoughtful maintenance. The Toyota RAV4, Subaru Forester, Mitsubishi Montero, Honda CR-V, and Hyundai Santa Fe just happen to be especially good at rewarding owners who do things the right way.